Mr. Tony Castillo. And the race is on. Elgin and Sherman. One man soul rising up is Paring Hilton. Preciosa in the middle. Alongside Spanish Ram, Vanilla Ice, Mr. Integrity, and San Marino. One man sold by Alenkena. Paring Hilton is running in second. Spanish Rams from the outside, Preciosa, and racing in Vanilla Ice, Elgin and Sherman. Rounding the far turn, one man sold by some 2 lengths. Paring Hilton remains in second. Spanish Rams racing from the outside as they swing for home. One man sold, the leader by some 2 lengths. Paring Hilton is running down on the inside. Spanish Rams and by Daryl Preciosa, Elgin and Sherman. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run at still entry number 2, one man sold. And finally, one man sold. Paring Hilton, Spanish Drums, Elgin Sherman, Preciosa, San Marino, Mr. Integrity, and Vanilla Ice comes last.